Rainforests are among the most important ecosystems in the world. An ecosystem is a community of plants and animals that depend on each other. More plants and animals live in the rainforest than anywhere else in the world. Scientists tell us half of all plant and animal species are found in the rainforest. There are 4 different layers in the forest. There are the emergent, canopy, understory, and forest floor layers. Each layer has special animals and plants that live there. If you visited the rainforest, it would be impossible to see all the animals hiding in each layer. The largest rainforest is called the Amazon rainforest. Some people call the Amazon rainforest the lungs of the world. The trees and the plants give off oxygen. People and animals need oxygen to breathe. Rainforests breathe out more than 20% of the world's oxygen supply.